What's up, you guys? Today I will be doing Alright. Today I will be doing a slime video. Me making slime, and you can also watch this if you don't know how to make slime. Slime is really cool, stretchy, pokey. If you watch satisfying slime videos, you're probably wondering, how are they making that? So I'm about to teach you right now. So the first thing you have to make it, you have to have glue. Right here, you have to have glue. A bowl, and you don't need a spatula, but I like them. But you don't need to use them. You can use a spoon, that's fine. Okay, so right here, have this. Some foam soap will make it nice. And you need activator. Without activator, your slime cannot form. It's just glue and soap. This works. You gotta trust me. Okay, so let me just place you right here. I hope I'm just gonna slide off. It's darker, but it's fine. We good. So first, I'm gonna add. Alright, I'm gonna take this over here. So I also have glitter just to make it nice and sparkly. So I'm gonna take this big jug of glue right here. Obviously, I'm gonna be opening the glue cap because then I can't pour the glue in. Yeah, that smells disgusting. Alright. You don't want to pour too much unless you're aiming for a big slime. Especially if this is your first time. I wouldn't add too much. It'd be a waste. Because you're just learning. But if you want to do it, go ahead. I like the confidence if you want to put a lot. I did just the right amount. I've been making slime ever since I was like 4. So I know I made really big slimes before. And just amount. I'm not aiming for a big slime. Because sometimes even professionals, like the people you see on Satisfying Slime, mess up. Everyone messes up. So you're gonna have too much glue for the slime, or mess up with those layers on the slime they poke through. No one knows. But if you do, comment down below because I want to know. Alright, so we got our glue. Now we will be adding foam. Ooh, that squirts out nicely. Now I will be adding glitter. We have to be careful with the lid. Ooh, man, that looks pretty. All the glitter. Well, not all, but here is the lovely glitter, and it's just foam, soap, and Bath and Body Works. Now, I guess I'm going to be pouring activator, playing with our slime. Now, activator, if you have this type of magical liquid, Elmer's magical liquid, it's not that strong, but don't add like a million of it until you see your slime not as sticky and liquid. So I'm going to show you guys mixing this. And grab our spatula. Alright. So I'm just kind of mixing this in now. I will be not pausing the video, actually, because you guys, Alright, this is starting to form. As you can see, it's not really glue anymore. Now, we will be adding some more because obviously, that is not enough. Alright, I added just the right amount. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't it cool? You don't need that. It's just really nice. So, you still have slime. You just need glue and this type of activator, a bowl, and decorations if you want. And look at this. You have slime. Now, keep mixing it until you get a slime. Now, I obviously have to say, mine is really nice because it's white and glittery. Blue glitter, my favorite color, if you didn't know. So soon enough, you will be able to start pouring with your hands. And I think mine is just right for that. So pretty. Now, it might be a little sticky at first, but that is normal. So don't be afraid. Woo. Well, mine is really sticky, so it's slime, so now it's okay because this means I just need a little more activator. And don't use all of it because you're gonna want to make slime a lot more often. Trust me, people. But yeah. Alright, so right now I am forming this slime. It looks really nice. And I will be doing a satisfying slime video right after this because, I mean, you can see satisfying slime people. Make the slime. They can if they don't have the pause on their camera or if they're using their phone, they can't pause it. Well, I don't see a pause button. I have flip camera and set the video and time. So, yeah, but so they should make 10 or whatever amount of slimes. They can just pull up the bowl right next to them when they're done using one slime. Alright, people. We have a slime. Isn't that so cool? So, first step I used was a little overview now. We added glue, foam soap, and activator and glitter. And I have a really cool thing I can play with. You have to use a container or a bag because then it will dry out. But as you can see, I have a beautiful glitter slime. Alright, now I'm going to take it out of my bowl. Oh, camera down. Perfect. Now, move the bowl out of the way. There. Bowl is out of our way. Yeah, so I guess we'll be doing a video. I'm sorry if I'm saying or I'm just whoa, oh my. Alright, ready? You know, slime isn't just what you think. It's really nice to go through it and poke it and stretch it. And it's really nice to play with. And it's just really if you have the ingredients, you're gonna make it all the time, trust me. Okay, now slime video. Okay, guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you like it. And hit the bell, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions for me on how to make a certain slime, because I'm a slime expert. And guys, back at home, if you like satisfying slime video, I think I know what it is. Try wrapping paper. Try wrapping paper on your slime. If that's not it, I'm sorry for the waste of wrapping paper, but make a slime. You know it? Now you know it if you didn't know it before. And then put a layer of wrapping paper on it. And then go through it, and you can make a video on it. And right now, my slime is being very nice to me. Well, that's it for today's video. Oh, and about part 3, just so you know, I am working on it because I'm redecorating this house with decorations, and I'm making it really nice, so yeah. And Gabby, yes, I'm giving you a hint. Gabby did get hurt. She did get hurt. And yeah, I'm not spoiling anything else, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye!